Happy birthday to you, Pastor Godwin A. Wonders. Thank you for being a vessel of wisdom, strength, and unwavering faith. Your life continue to inspire and uplift everyone around you. On this special day, I pray that God renews your strength, enlarges your territory, and fill your heart with greater joy and peace. May your new year be full of divine favor, good health, and greater impact in ministry. Happy birthday once again, Pastor Godwin A. Wonders.
My heart is satisfied. You cover me up, your result to see through.
This message is coming to you from Africa TV Unplug, a life of advertisement.
For the joy of the Lord is